Welcome to my video. My name is Bram Stolk. I'm a game developer, and today I will be showcasing Practica Boxel, which is my solution for real-time global illumination. And for today we'll build a mansion. And in this mansion I have a cellar, which is very dark. And the only light that is reaching in now is bounced light, indirect light. So let's, for instance, move this light lower and maybe point it towards the right hand side wall. And then we can see that this very dark section is only illuminated with bounced light. Okay, so let's go finish building this cellar. Let's see. Okay. So for a cellar we need a stairway down. And so to do this I've got my model palette here. And the model palette contains all the building blocks I can use to build my worlds. So I'll select the stairs, I place them, and after I place them I can rotate them by pressing the R key. Okay, we've got stairs down, we need a landing, this block here. There we go. We blocked it off, and as you can see, as I close the ceiling or the floor, it gets darker and darker in the cellar because less light bounces into it. Now we want our house to be safe and people shouldn't fall into the stairwell, so we can build a little fence so it is safe. Yeah, that should do it. Let's continue closing the floor. Okay, so now we have a really dark cellar. Let's close our house too. So at some point I will have to add copy and paste functionality. So these large sections are easier to do. But for now I have to place each block separately, so please bear with me. As I close this roof, I've left one window open on the side, so we can look inside the window. Very dark in the house now. But once we move one of the lights inside, like so, we have a lit room, and as we move it out, dark, lit, dark. Okay, I think it will be interesting to put our light above the stairwell. It's a bit hard to see now, but like so. And maybe we're gonna put two of them in there. That sounds good. So let's move this light over. So it's too close to the wall. Okay, we've got, let's see, two lights now above the staircase. So let's see how it looks in first person. By pressing enter, I can switch. So let's start from the outside. Gonna walk into the house. Our two lights. And our cellar is gonna be super dark, because all the light we get here is just the light that bounces here. I can also shoot some fireballs to see what's going on here. But yeah, super dark in here. Unless we add a cellar light, of course. So let's do that. Go back to the edit camera. Let's go all the way into the cellar. Let's see if that works. Yeah. And we say add light. Does that work? No, it doesn't. Let's see, why not? There we go. Let's move this light inside the house. Maybe move all the lights inside the house. So, dark outside. But now we have a cellar light. So I started making some pillars in front of the house. Let's finish those up, but before I can do that, I think we need more lights in the garden. So where should we put these lights? Maybe one here, one here. Okay, maybe one more. Why not? So now we can properly see what we're building outside. You know what? I'm gonna move these lights down, and this will be an entrance light pointing down, and this one I will move down as well. Okay, let's finish the pillars. So increase the height. I add 2 blocks, and then I cap it off. Four pillars. Let's connect them. And yeah, we can move this one a little forward. So then we have our entrance, our grand entrance with 4 pillars. Fell off the platform. And then in the house, in the cellar. But our house needs some furniture. So let's add that. What do we need? We need a sofa. We need a chair. and maybe a bed. So yeah, our house is done. We're sleeping. Let's shoot a fireball under the bed. See it bounce. Tick, 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 tick. Fun. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for joining me, and until next time.